Hola mis amigos. Today I want to show you how to ramp up your Quizlet studying by using voice typing instead of the physical keyboard. I have another video showing you how to do this with a telephone, but some of us are using laptops or Chromebooks to study. So I want to show you how to do it in just the Chrome browser using an extension. The first thing you'll want to do is go to the Chrome Web Store and find a voice typing app. The one I use is called Voice In, Voice In Voice Typing. And if you don't have it installed, you'll see a blue button here that says Add to Chrome. Mine's already installed. Once you install it, you will see a little black microphone icon show up in your extensions area. We're not quite ready. Let's go ahead and right-click that icon and choose Options. You might have to grant permissions to your microphone at this point, and you'll want to select your dictation language. Now, we're going to be using Spanish, so I have selected Español Mexico. I picked Mexico because that's where I learned Spanish, but you can probably pick any of them if you want. Now, once that's set up, we're going to go to Quizlet and select a vocabulary list to study. I'm going to choose a Spanish 1 list this time, clothing with colors. And this is just a combination list to practice clothing and colors and making sure we're getting our number gender coordination down. I'm going to click on Write. And in the options, I just make sure that I have answer with Spanish selected. So now it gives me a question like some red shorts. I make sure my cursor is on the line to type. And to use the extension, I'm going to click the microphone once. It'll turn red. I say what I want in Spanish. I click it again for the text to be copied into where the cursor is. For example, some red shorts, unos pantalones cortos rojos. And there we are. We can use this to practice our pronunciation. I know it's not a perfect system, but it is better than just repeating words aloud in our room without anyone making sure we're saying them properly. Un gorro rojo. So there you are. If you have any questions on getting this to work, please let me know. Otherwise, happy studying.